In today's video, we're going to be looking at more linear equations with distribution, but adding a couple more steps when we're solving these problems. So if you take a look at here, we have the parentheses like we had before, so we have to distribute that number out in front to each of the numbers inside of the parentheses. And then you notice there's more things on the left side of my equation. Remember, equation is any mathematical sentence that has an equal sign. So the left side of my equation has a bunch of stuff, and we have to kind of simplify it. So I wrote this problem over here. Again, make sure you put your line down the equal sign. And what you're going to do first, before you do anything else, is distribute this 3 out to the 2x and to the 2. All right, so you do 3 times 2x, which is 3 times 2x, which is 6x. Then you're going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. And then I'm going to copy everything else down. I'm going to put the 1. I'm going to put the 1 in front of the x. So it's 1x to help you see. Now, once I got everything here, I have to then simplify it by what's called combining like terms. So what like terms are is any term that has the same variable, for example, 6x and 1x, or if it's a constant, all right? So 6x and 1x are like terms. So I'm going to combine those and get 7x. The other like terms are 6 and 5, which is 11. Then that becomes a two-step equation that we're used to doing. All right, I'm going to try and do this. There we go. So opposite operations is going to minus 11 from both sides. Be careful here. So I'm going to bring down the 7x. The 11 minus 11 cancels. Negative 10 minus 11. So on the number line, if you go left 10 and then left 11, that's negative 21. Divide both sides by 7. And you get your answer is x is negative 3. Put in negative 3. Submit. Yes. Good. All right, let's look at another problem. This is a good one with negatives. All right, so the same kind of process. Clear my page. All right. Write this negative 5 times negative 3 plus 2x. Times negative 3 plus 2x. Or just plus 2, not 2x. Minus 4x minus 5. Lots of negatives here, which we have to be careful of. Equals negative 48. Again, line down the equal sign. First thing I do, distribute the negative 5 to negative 3x. So negative times negative 3x is positive 15x. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Bring everything else down. Combine like terms. 15x and negative 4x. 15x minus 4x is 11x. So be careful, you have to also include that negative. Same thing here. Negative 10 and negative 5 is negative 15. And notice how I box and circle to kind of help me see what are the like terms and what are not like terms. All right, so then I have a two-step equation. Just going to continue. Whoa. No. There we go. So then I have a two-step equation. Add 15 to both sides. So I get 11x is negative 48 plus 15, which is, we can use a calculator for that. So if you notice up here, this will be our familiar calculator that we're going to use. Negative 48, hide this, negative 48 plus 15 is negative 33, right there. Bam. That's nice, because it's going to, when I divide both sides by 11, it's going to come out to a nice integer answer, which is x is negative 33 divided by 11 is negative 3. So in our DeltaMath, we're going to put in negative 3. We don't need this calculator anymore. Negative 3, submit it. Yes, awesome. All right, so again, with this process, make sure that you distribute the negative 5, whatever the number is out in front, to both terms inside the parentheses, then combine like terms, and then it becomes a two-step equation, which we're used to solving. All right, so that's it for today's video. Work on these problems, and if you have questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.